Junior want to not be on my. I can't really see what did I miss. Ex-strippers.
Okay, y'all, so I ordered some stuff from Shein, however y'all want to say it. I ordered me some stuff from over there. Let me put my phone down, y'all. Okay, so I had ordered a few things from Shein that just came in. Y'all, I don't know where I put my memory card. I just went to Tennessee and I was editing my YouTube video, but I just don't know where I put my memory card at. So now I'm using my backup. I had to delete everything, but I don't know. But nevertheless, I got me a few things from Shein. I got these things to put my glasses in. I want to try one of my glasses out to see if it's gonna fit in here for real or not. All right, I'm gonna go get a pair of glasses and then I'm gonna see how it fits inside here. I think this is pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna put these shades in there, but it keep falling. Anyway, I think that's cute. Another thing that I got from Shein was this iPhone case, which I think looks so nice. Like, look at it. If you want to get anything affordable, I would definitely recommend going on Shein and getting them. Like, this is so pretty. So I got that from there. Another thing that I got from Shein were these stickers. They are going in my car. They are so cute. I got that. They could go on your mirror, which that's what I'm gonna put them at. I'm gonna put it on the mirror you flip over. Another thing I got from Shein were these coasters. I think that's what you call them. I think that's what they call it. So you put them in your car and it has like a heart on them. Like, look at how cute is that if it focuses on it. It's so pretty. Another thing that I got from Shein was this phone bath waterproof case. This is how it looks. I don't know why the box looks like that, but yeah, it came like this. I have towel in my shower, so I try to get something that don't have suction because I have towel, so it won't work. But this is it right here. It has like a little sticky thing right here. Basically, you can watch movies in your shower, but I'm about to grab my phone and then I'm gonna see how it looks inside of it. Let me see if you can click through it. Okay, so it works when you flip it. So you basically use it like this, and I guess you can like watch videos or whatnot. I'm gonna try it in my bathroom probably tonight. I don't even know, but hopefully I like it. Yeah, it works through the phone. I'm not even gonna lie to you, like it really works through the phone. I'm trying to see if I can flip the camera while I'm in there. Yeah, it's not bad. From Shein were these cute little hearts to put in my car. You're gonna put them inside the vent clips. I mean, it's a vent clip, that's what it is. So I got that, and basically all you just do is just put it on there. It's just the cord. It doesn't come with like any fragrance or anything. So you just basically put it like this. It's so cute. Another thing that I got was this. The first one I got from Shein broke, so I got me another one so it can help me break down my nails more quicker instead of me letting it just soak and stuff. So this is it right here. I think this was like $1. So basically you just go like this, clamp it, and then it's supposed to come off. The other one, I don't know why it broke. It was white or silver. I don't know why it broke, but I mean, it was only $1, so I guess you get what you pay for. Last two things that I got was the swimsuits because I am starting to take swimming lessons now. So I got 2 of them. Hopefully they fit. I'm gonna go try them on right now. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna fit. This looks like it running hella small, but then again, it looked like it has some stretch material to it. So this is the first one I got. I got it in a medium. I don't know if I should have got it in a large or not. And then I got the same one in, what color is this? This is in white and black. Basically, I just wanted to get something like that because I don't want to be looking all smexy going to go take swimming classes. I want to be like comfortable. I don't want my butt all out. So I just decided to get something like this, but I'm about to try it on and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks or if it even fits, or you know, but I'm gonna show y'all in a couple minutes. Okay, so this is it. I'm trying to see if I can show y'all the whole thing. This is how it looks. It fits very good. It has a lot of stretch in the bottom, but when you get to the top it get a little tight. So if you are like more bigger up top, I would suggest just the size of just a tad bit because it gets like tight. But this is it right here. I can't wait to wear it. I already have 1 day of swimming classes, but I have another one coming up But yes, I like it. It came out, it looks very nice on me, so yes. Anyways, I am in about an hour or so. I have a makeup class that I'm about to take, and I'm gonna record it on my camera because I'm paying all this money, so I should be able to record my course because I want to remember everything. So I'm gonna go take a makeup class soon in about an hour or so, and yeah, I'm about to get ready to prep. I want to take some of my makeup brushes, but I forgot to wash them. But I think that's about it that I'm about to do so far. I just hope I really find my camera, I mean my memory card, because I really don't know where I put it at, and your girl need it. So I'm gonna see you guys when I go take my makeup class.
It's like my favorite. Again, you can like also like with your skincare, you can also go ahead and I always start from the arch, and I'm gonna work my way to the tail.
Tonight at 11 on Channel 9.
Joey's asking for help.
The person that's going to challenge you, that's going to go the distance.
But he wasn't asking for this.
I'm Jonathan on top tonight.
I like match, but sometimes it can be a little too waxy.
Okay.
I'm gonna switch to my job.
Okay, no problem.
What do you don't like?
Sometimes.
Do you like it? Do you feel like you need to improve? Like,
Yeah, mine's don't, like right here up front, I don't know if I put too much. I mean, if I started too much to the top.
Yeah, I think you definitely got a little closer to the bottom. So I'm gonna show you a trick.
Okay.
So when in doubt, and so I think I put too much on my brows. Oh my god! Like, what do I do? What do you don't like?
Sometimes.
Do you like it? Do you feel like you need to improve? Like,
yeah, mine's don't, like right here up front, I don't know if I put too much. I mean, if I started too much to the top.
Yeah, I think you definitely got a little closer to the bottom. So I'm gonna show you a trick.
Okay.
So when in doubt.
So I'm sorry y'all, I can't find my memory card, and it's driving me crazy because the last time I had it is when I was in Tennessee and I was editing while we were driving, and for some reason like I literally can't find it, and it's driving me insane. But nevertheless, we're gonna just start off. If I end up finding it, then I'll go ahead and just attach those 3 videos I got. So today from Amazon, I went and got me this Melody Susie, which is a nail drill that I ordered yesterday, and it came in today. And this is how the box look. I'm going to open it on camera with you guys, so I just took it out the Amazon packaging. So this is how it looks. You open it and it's like this, and oh my god, it looks so nice. I got this for $60. I think I only saved like $10 or so, but when I was reading the reviews, like all nail drills have good and bad reviews. Even the Kiera Sky, I think that's what it's called, it's 500, that has good and bad reviews. But I didn't want to spend that much on it. I wanted to just see how this one works. And I see that they also do have customer support, or when the machine or whatever dies out. But this how it looks. Oh my god, y'all, like what? This looks raw. Like I like this. It has a forward and reverse, and it has the speed on it. People said this is good for beginner, but a lot of people said that it only lasted them only a month or so. Hopefully that's not the case with me, because I really want to start practicing and start using it. I don't know, you know, I guess that's part of my self-care. I just like doing my nails, and I just feel like it feels good when you get your nails done. So I don't know, when I started getting my nails done for my nail tech, I'm like, damn, I really like doing my nails. Besides that, before that, I did not like getting my nails done. So baby, but I'm gonna speak to my nail tech tomorrow, because I wanted to take a nail class, but I want to get worth my money. So when I take this nail class, I want to get all worth my money. But some of these nail classes I seen, they're like only 5 hours. For me, I feel like I want something that's at least like 8 or 9 hours. I like to get worth my money, because half of these nail techs are charging $1,000, $2,000. Like they charging a lot of money, and I don't, that's just only for one day. It's this guy in Orlando. He is having a nail class in April, but I'm just so iffy. I don't know yet. I'm still deciding, but he only has 2 seats left, and we're about to be in March. So I just want to like learn. And then with nail school, I'm gonna call them, because I wanted to enroll in nail school, but the only thing is that like it doesn't work with the timing after. So I'm just gonna see and weigh out my options from there. But yes, y'all, nevertheless, I'm just about to sit here and look up some videos, make some soap. And tomorrow, hopefully, after I get all these orders out, I am gonna go do some hygiene shopping because I really need to do some. But enough of the chit chat. I'm gonna see you guys later. Good morning, you guys. So I am in these streets. It is at 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm headed to Walmart because I needed to get my daughter, I don't know if y'all can see me, but I'm headed to get my daughter some cards for Valentine's Day so she could distribute out tomorrow to the class. I came to Target for no reason and they literally don't have anything, like literally. So I'm headed to Walmart to see what they have. I'm gonna go to Michael's because Michael's have stuff too. So I'm gonna go to Michael's and I'm gonna see exactly like what they have. When I see at Michael's have these treat bags because I want to put candy in them, not just cards. I see they have these treat bags. It come with like a 12 count or $124. Let me see, hold on. It's 12 people in her class, but no, it's 14 people, but they only have 12 bags. So I'm gonna feel bad because like 2 people probably won't be able to get some bags. I don't know, I might buy 2, we'll see. But nevertheless, I'm gonna try to make it look cute. I need to see the bags in person and see how they look or whatever, because I don't want to just get anything, you know. So yeah, I am headed to Walmart and then I'm gonna head to Target and I'm gonna see y'all. I'm gonna probably see y'all later and see what y'all got, what they got. And I won't do every day like contouring. I don't see myself doing that every day, but mainly my issue was my issue was the eyebrows. I couldn't really do my eyebrows for nothing. Like it'll be skinny and then one be like real big. Okay, and even. Yeah, so I was like, yes. I was like, I took one a while back at Sephora, but I don't know, for some reason I don't feel like I learned anything at Sephora. Usually when it's like a big chain, they're not really teaching anyways. Yeah, places like that. But I see you book mediums. They going a little longer? Yes, I'm gonna try longer. I haven't had it in a very long time.
I said to you, but I'm off there. Had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down.
Okay, y'all, so I am done doing my nails. This is how it looks. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna attach a picture. Hopefully you guys could like see it very well or whatnot. But I did go to, let me put my car in park. No, it's not. Okay, so I did go to, oh my god, I brought everything inside. Oh my goodness, I was gonna show you guys everything that I got. But yeah, nevertheless, I did find some stuff at Target and I'm gonna show you guys once I get back to my house. I'm gonna show you guys everything because me and my daughter, we're gonna sit there and we're gonna like decorate everything. You two, are you ready to decorate?
Yes.
So we're about to decorate, what is it, the Valentine's Day bags? Put stuff inside of Valentine's Day bags. Let me show you guys how it look. So this is what I showed you guys earlier, the lollipops. I went to Target and I found these 16 bubble sticks. I got some erasers that has, how many? It has 18 in them. And then this I have the 32. They go to crayon boxes. This comes with 16 stamps. And then this comes with 12 mini pens. And then these are the 2 different bags that I got from Michael's today, but I'm gonna only end up having like so much left because I only needed to get an extra 2. But yeah, this is cute. Them kids do not need all that candy. You know, I feel like they should get more of gifts, so I got them pins and stuff like that.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there. Had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, what is this for this girl? What is love? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it? By pressure, just keep
My man got me a Stanley cup, and it's a cream because this is what I like as a cup. It got to be cream or pink or purple. So I got me a Stanley cup because I wasn't gonna buy it. But how much? $60. I got me my NC50 because my son lost mine while I was in, no, he broke it in Tennessee, so I got me a new one. I got me a new fuzzy heat from Rihanna. Let me make sure this is not the one that's that got shimmer. Okay, this ain't got shimmer. So I got me a re-up of the Rihanna fuzzy, and the and then I got this right here. I've been seeing people be raving about it on TikTok. They say it smells like vanilla. It smells really, really good. So I got that. So it come with the lotion, which is like this, the cream. It smells real good. It smells like a vanilla, like a sweet vanilla. Then I got the spray. It says it has pistache and caramel and salted caramel. It's pistachio, I don't know, but it smells real good. So this is how it looks, like this. And then it comes with a shower gel to use. I'm not a shower gel girl, but I'm gonna try it out. I don't like it. I like to use trying to be funny, I like to use soap more. It smells good. It smells like vanilla too. It smells real good. I like how it smells. And the last thing my man got me was this Home Goods. It's Home Goods TJ Maxx. I'm gonna use this probably tomorrow, matter of fact.